Someone needs to do geological drills. They need to drill for, find out what's in the dirt, I guess. I don't really know. It's mostly clay. And they need to get to a bunch of drill sites, and that's what we're doing out here. It is not processing. It is not pretty. It doesn't need to be. They're going to be coming in on track machines, track drill rigs. This is Louisiana. They know what they're doing. You know what I mean? So hang tight. We got a 323 right here, a D5, and then the Cat 275. So we're just doing things like that. All they got to do is go in there, turn left, boom, buenos, no chase. What up, Justin? I think that's Justin. It's Caddo Land Works over there in the field. You see that red lights over there? Wow, you see that sunrise? God damn! All right. Hell yeah. Sunrise about to be a banger once we get there. Should I beat him? I'm gonna race him. Oh, it's 35. Let's behave. I'm only doing 43, so it's okay. A dead end? What? Hopefully not. Hopefully this is the start of something big. All right, it's so cold out there. Justin's gonna start punching in on this trail, and then I'm gonna go get the 323, or I'm gonna get stuck. This is like different dirt than I'm used to. I know it sounds silly, but it is. It's, how is it all soft and hard at the same time? I don't get it. I really don't. Good thing I got my Continental tires on here though. Oh yeah. All right. Spot number 1. Got a couple hundred of these spots to go find. All right, let's see if we can snap this. Oh yeah, we can. Hell yeah. Don't be bouncy, guys. Sorry, it is what it is. Honestly, I ain't making the tracks level, and I'm not moving slow. It's just gonna be bouncy. Jumping stuff out of the way. Because of the honestly, I guess it's the holding power of the clay. If I push too high up on the pines for leverage, it'll barber chair them. So I actually have to kind of dig and push low. So that's why I've been doing it like that. Get this one out of the hole. Like a little hook on the side of my bucket. really wish this ground was more cooperative, because then I can make it cleaner, but it is what it is. It's gonna be dirty. Readjust on this. These pines right here I gotta dig out. We got a big old excavator in the woods right now. That's not mine, so I'm trying not to scratch it. So I gotta keep, oops, sorry. I gotta keep looking. Actually, I think I should just go back out. That's what I should do. No. Bit of a time crunch, a lot of a time crunch actually, so those freebies. Good work. We don't give it away though. In some clay. Man, I wish I was closer to that hole. It just pulls the machine in. Never mind, I'm gonna go back. Never mind, I'm gonna go back. It's so wet here. These triple grouser tracks are clogged with clay and they don't have any bite. I think this is a single grouser environment for sure.